In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change audio pitch in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make a voice sound slightly higher or lower, or creatively adjust the tone of a sound effect or music clip, DaVinci Resolve gives you a very quick way to do it. The good news is that this process is simple, and once you know where the setting is, you can make pitch changes in just a few seconds. To get started, go to your timeline and find the audio clip you want to adjust. Click directly on that clip so DaVinci Resolve knows which piece of audio you want to edit. This is important because the pitch controls will affect the selected clip, not every sound in your project. If nothing is selected, you may not see the controls you need, so always make sure the correct clip is highlighted first. Once the clip is selected, move to the top right area of the interface and open the Inspector tab. The Inspector is where you can view and change detailed settings for the clip you're working on. If it's not already visible, just click Inspector to bring that panel up. Inside the Inspector, look for the pitch setting. This is the control that lets you raise or lower the sound of your audio clip. You'll typically see options for semitones and cents. Semitones make larger, more noticeable pitch changes, so they're useful when you want the audio to sound clearly higher or lower. Cents are much smaller adjustments, which makes them helpful for more subtle fine-tuning. From here, simply adjust the semitones and cents until you get the sound you want. If you raise the value, the pitch goes up. If you lower it, the pitch goes down. A good tip is to make small changes first and listen back after each adjustment. That makes it easier to find the right sound without overdoing it. Larger pitch shifts can create a dramatic effect, while smaller changes often sound more natural. And that's it. Once you've selected your audio clip, opened the Inspector and adjusted the pitch using semitones and cents, you've successfully changed the audio pitch in DaVinci Resolve. It's a fast and useful tool that can help you correct audio or add a creative touch to your edit.